Okay, so it's been about a week now, and I apologize that it's taken so long, but here, that did adjust. I was waiting on a certain part that I ordered from eBay. I have never ordered from eBay, and back in the day, I knew eBay was kind of like iffy and ish, but I ordered a part, and it came way sooner than expected, which I'm super thrilled about. So, the part that we had to replace is this. This is your starter clutch cover, and as you can see, it's cracked and messed up. Then, since it was cracked and messed up, it destroyed my pulsar coils, and you can't get replacements for them, or aftermarket replacements for them, because the thing is ancient. So I'm hoping that after all the diagnostics and all the sorting through the wires and checking everything, making sure everything's good, I'm praying that this, 99% looks like that's the problem, especially since it's broken. So I'm gonna test it now, put the new one on, well, I've already put the new one on. Now I'm about to test it, and I have to film this, because if it works, I'm gonna, I'm gonna be so excited. Anyway, I didn't even describe what it does. I'm sorry. So these, a little cog goes by here. Now this little cog spins, right? And it goes by these coils like this. And every time it passes it, it sends a signal saying, "Hey, computer, send a spark to the engine." So as you can see, one of them is busted up. Now I'm gonna see if it works. Come on. Can you see okay? Okay. Get some brake cleaner. It's all hooked up. Don't mind the wiring mess. This is like an old harness. I have the other one over there. I was comparing the two, but I have this one hooked up right now. So. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh. That fucking started. Yes! As you can see from my overexcitement. Oh, thank God. I was like stressing about this so hard. I was worried because it was so expensive to order it, because the part itself was only like 50 bucks, but the shipping was $80. So I was like, am I really gonna waste money on a part that I'm not 100% sure about? And thank God I didn't. It runs, or at least it starts, but it runs. Oh, such big relief. Okay, that means we need to move on to the next steps. So that is, I think we're gonna do a whole fabrication of the seat a little bit later, after I get it running like mint in top shape. So I'm gonna double check the other harness, make sure it does the same thing with the other harness, because the other harness is a lot neater. And then I believe I am going to take the carbs apart, clean those up, probably do that like sitting inside watching TV or something, because they're like sticky. When I pull the throttle, it stays, it sticks. So the carbs are gunky. I think my first order of business is to take some electrical tape and some shrink tubing and kind of make this back into a harness again. So this will take me a little bit, but I'll do a quick time lapse on that. Cool. I now have a retaped harness. All clean, all all organized, all the right lengths for everything. I think wiring harnesses will always look like crap unless you make like a custom one. But for what I'm trying to do and the budget I'm on, it's pretty good.